Daedeok I.M.T is proud to be a company specializing in the production of auto parts, hydraulic cylinders, truck bodies, batwing bodies, refrigerated car bodies, and all kinds of tail lifts. With the motto of always listening to feedback from customers, we constantly improve our products and services to bring maximum trust and satisfaction. Established in Korea with over 20 years of experience, Daedeok I.M.T's parent company and 12 branches across the country have affirmed their leading position, supplying up to 90% of refrigerated truck bodies, hydraulic cylinders, and other product lines in the domestic market. Welcome to Daedeok I.M.T, where technology and people create sustainable values together. This is the journey from aspiration to success. In 2021, Daedeok I.M.T marked a new turning point when it started construction of a factory project in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. With the determination to realize its aspirations to reach far, every stage is meticulously carried out and closely monitored, ensuring superior quality, ready to open a new journey of development. In 2022, Daedeok I.M.T officially came into operation. Modern machinery and dedicated technical team created the first products, marking the beginning of strong development steps. This careful preparation helps us affirm our position in the manufacturing industry in Vietnam.
Laser department, the beginning of production with modern technology. Messer and Amada laser cutting machines ensure absolute accuracy, minimize errors, and optimize machining costs. The input material is large-size metal sheets. After inspection, these metal sheets will be fed into a laser cutting machine, self-contained, to cut to the design size. The metal laser cutting machine uses high-intensity light through a transmission system from which it converges on the metal surface through a lens to create a very high temperature, melting or evaporating the metal layer, blowing away the molten metal to create a delicate cut. This is a completely automatic control stage by machinery and equipment. After the laser cutting stage, the metal sheets are put into bending according to the design drawing format. The bending machine has the ability to form flexible and precise forms for metal products. The bending machine uses force and movement to shape the sheet metal as intended. The bending machine head is controlled by electronic equipment, allowing the user to easily adjust and control the bending angle. This process requires precision and careful observation to ensure that the final product has the desired shape. By using bending machines, manufacturers can create metal products with complex and precise shapes. This process not only enhances product value, but also helps ensure product comprehensiveness and safe. The welding stage plays an important role in connecting the parts. After stages such as laser cutting, bending, turning and peeling on the side of CNC parts, MCT is completed, the parts will be transferred to the welding department to connect those parts into finished products. The welding process uses manual and mechanical. For the production stage of the car body, including the stages of welding the beams, welding the bottom, erecting, assembling the auxiliary details, hinges, box locks, welding the barrels and finishing, this stage will mainly be linked by welding joints by a team of well-trained staff, comply with Korean standards to ensure the durability as well as accuracy of the product. After the welding stages, we conduct a detailed inspection to detect. At that time, workers will weld the mound again to ensure the flatness of the equipment and will clean the weld. The cleaning process used by the company is specialized grinding machines. Before transferring the parts to the painting line, we will use a shot blasting machine to treat the surface. A surface of an aluminum, cast iron, steel product that is stained or needs to be removed from the paint can be effectively cleaned with a shot blasting machine. The steel particles are strongly blown into the component surface tank continuously for from 10 to 30 minutes, making them metallic and creating a characteristic technical roughness, which makes the paint many times tighter. After the product is surface treated to clean the impurities, workers will load products on trolleys to transfer to a closed painting room. Here, workers will spray paint on the surface of the product manually with a paint gun. The spray gun device with high-pressure compressed air will disperse fine paint particles that adhere evenly, firmly adhering to the surface of the object to be painted. To ensure health, safety and fire prevention, workers are fully equipped with labor protection and trained in incident response procedures during the painting process. After completion, the paint will be transferred to the drying stage to ensure the adhesion of the paint on the surface of the finished product. CNC and MCT technology is the heart of I.M.T, with modern imported machinery system, which ensures high performance and absolute quality. Input materials are carefully screened to ensure that quality and safety standards are met. After being selected, the raw materials are transferred to the stage of quality and quantity inspection through a strict process. Metal blocks, plates, and rods will be turned into parts of the cylinder, including cylinder tubes, oil tubes, pistons, shaft rods, oil blocks. The metal cutting and turning process is carried out automatically by CNC and MCT machines to ensure precision and high performance.
final stage to create a product. To create a perfect product, it is necessary to ensure that every little detail is perfected correctly. Assembly requires care, meticulousness, and delicacy to ensure the finest details are smooth. Every small step contributes to the success of the final product. We always put precision, thoughtfulness, and sophistication first to ensure the best quality when reaching our customers. With ingenuity and professionalism, we create perfect products that meet the needs of customers. The assembly process is carried out by a team of highly specialized, experienced, and always ready to assist. electrical wiring also play a significant role in the process of making a perfect product. The hydraulic wire plays the role of guiding the oil for the cylinder to work. Hydraulic hose rope is preferred by us to choose materials that are resistant to oil and weather abrasion. After the hydraulic hose passes the cutter to the standard size, they will be cleaned both inside and outside the hose to ensure hydraulic oil conduction to the cylinder. Next, the hydraulic pipes are pressed and inserted into the pipe body. Each small stage is carefully checked and measured by us every data and quality of each hydraulic pipe. For the wiring part, every part created we have through the inspection. During the manufacturing process, every wiring detail is thoroughly tested to ensure that they meet the highest quality standards. A wide range of state-of-the-art testing equipment is used to ensure that the production wires meet the highest quality standards, including testing for resistance, voltage, load levels, and other criteria.
We always strictly implement quality inspection procedures after each assembly stage to ensure quality and safety for customers. To ensure product quality, we have an experienced quality inspection (QC) team, always closely follow each assembly stage and carefully check each product before shipment. If the product does not meet the quality standards, we will repair or replace it in time to avoid sending the product that do not meet quality standards to the customer. We are always committed to ensuring that all of our products are manufactured with the highest quality, safety, and reliability. Each product is meticulously and carefully packaged in cartons. To ensure the products are packaged in the best way, the staff will check each product again before packing. The products will be carefully arranged in the carton so that there is no confusion between the different products. After packing the product, we will pack the carton to ensure it is not affected by external factors such as weather, physical impact, etc. Then, the carton is labeled with important information such as the product name, quantity, date of manufacture, and the address of the place where the goods are received. This information helps ensure that the product is delivered to the right location. We always put reputation first in every stage of production, from selecting high-quality raw materials, carefully cutting, assembling finished products, then packaging products. Each step is carried out carefully to ensure that the product will reach the customer in the most intact and safe way. Careful and thorough in each stage of production helps us gain the trust of customers and build a reputable brand. With the spirit of pride in modern technology and engineering, we always strive to create high-quality products. Our advanced technology plays an important role in creating the perfect transportation solution that meets all the needs of our customers. We also pride ourselves on our dedicated customer service and warranty service, in order to provide our customers with a great experience. With a team of professional and experienced staff, we are ready to meet all customer requirements, from product consultation to after-sales support. In addition, we also always aim to bring customers a reasonable price, helping them to save costs optimally. With competitive price policy and attractive service, we believe that we can become a reliable and long-term partner of our customers. I.M.T has affirmed its position as a reliable partner in the truck and auto parts industry in Korea. We pride ourselves on applying cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art techniques to our products. That helps us bring the perfect transportation solution, with reasonable prices and the most dedicated warranty and customer care services, in order to meet all the needs of customers both at home and abroad.
Daedeok I.M.T, where values begin.